Hello viewers, in past few months the whole world has witnessed a rift between two economic giants of the world. So today we're gonna talk about Sino-US trade conflict and what opportunities it creates for India. With its current status as the 7th largest global economy but only the 20th largest good exporter, the extent to which India will benefit from the Sino-US trade war depends significantly on its ability to successfully link up with global value chains. In the recent months, US has taken aim at Beijing over issues ranging from national security with banning of Huawei, the Chinese telecom giant, and pro-democracy demonstrations in Hong Kong to alleged abuse against Uyghurs in Xinjiang. Especially with recent closure of US consulate in Chengdu in retaliation for closure of Chinese consulate general in Houston following a US order alleging spying, tit-for-tat relations have indeed become common, with both sides escalating the rhetoric concerning policy options. So in the conflict between these world's largest economies, a window of opportunity may have in fact opened for India. For example, the Gems and Jewelry Export Promotion Council has stated that the US may raise duties on Hong Kong goods to 7.5% from 3.3% as a direct result of China's national security law for Hong Kong, which will possibly create opportunities for India in gems and jewelry trade, as the manufacturing business has the potential to witness a shift to India from China, as India possesses the natural benefit of readily available raw materials, manpower, and skill sets. The end of Hong Kong's preferential trade status is indeed an opportunity for India to become a global leader in gems and jewelry industry. US limitation on textile imports from Xinjiang region in China may also prove advantageous for India. With Xinjiang accounting for around 80 to 85% of China's cotton output, India stands to gain significantly for international buyers looking to diversify their sourcing base away from China. Therefore, to substantially benefit from a Sino-US trade conflict, India needs to adopt a strategic approach in order to develop this potential opportunity into a significant advantage. For example, although India benefits from a sizable domestic market, most multinational firms focus their efforts towards export and maintaining their global value chains. Therefore, the extent to which India will benefit from the Sino-US trade war depends significantly on its ability to successfully link up with the GVCs. Moreover, in order to compete against other countries that wish to attract significant investment away from China, India must prioritize the improvement of operational conditions and stabilize policy regimes. Economists highlighted Indian land laws as the biggest hurdle for manufacturing and infrastructure development due to their extremely complex nature, as well as the fact that land ownership is fragmented across several states. A lack of proper infrastructure further contributes to these issues, and although the speed of construction in India has been vastly improved, it's still far behind rival nations in Southeast Asia. Increasing Indo-Sino tension can also be seen to weaken India's position as a likely destination for Chinese relocation. Not only India decided to walk away from RCEP, a critical trade agreement with 12 other Asian countries in November last year, but New Delhi also tightened its foreign investment laws in April. So India's harsh turn in sentiment against China can therefore be seen to have exposed to the unpredictable nature of investing in India's emerging market. In the final analysis, India may initially be surpassed by neighboring countries in terms of investment moving out of China due to complex land and labor law as well as restricted number of free trade agreements Yet, as global anti China sentiment increases, India does indeed stand to benefit from these broader geopolitical shifts by undertaking sweeping structural reforms in order to transform its global trading relations. Thank you.